Best motorcycle for beginners: Yamaha YZF-R3. For those looking to embark on their motorcycling journey, the choice of the right motorcycle is a crucial decision. The Yamaha YZF-R3 has earned a reputation as one of the best motorcycles for beginners due to its combination of sporty styling, approachable performance, and rider-friendly features. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into why the Yamaha YZF-R3 South African Rand is an excellent choice for novice riders, covering its design, performance, safety features, and overall appeal. Sporty and attractive design. The Yamaha YZF-R3 South African Rand is a visual standout with its sporty and aggressive design. Its sharp lines, twin headlights, and the signature YZF branding give it a racing-inspired look that appeals to riders who desire a motorcycle with a strong visual presence. It resembles its larger siblings in the Yamaha sport bike lineup, making it an enticing choice for those who appreciate performance-oriented aesthetics. Lightweight and agile. One of the primary reasons the YZF-R3 South African Rand is a top choice for beginners is its lightweight and agile nature. Weighing in at around 370 pounds, this motorcycle is easy to handle, offering nimble maneuverability on city streets and confidence-inspiring handling in tight corners. Its low center of gravity further contributes to its stability, allowing beginners to quickly adapt to its handling characteristics. Engine performance. The YZF-R3 is powered by a 321cc twin-cylinder engine, striking a balance between power and ease of use for novice riders. With approximately 42 horsepower, it provides a thrilling riding experience without overwhelming beginners. The engine's responsive throttle and linear power delivery make it a forgiving and enjoyable machine to ride, allowing new riders to gain confidence and hone their skills. Sport bike handling. Yamaha has designed the YZF-R3 to offer sport bike-like handling, ensuring that it's more than just a pretty face. Its well-tuned suspension, frame, and sport-oriented tires provide a precise and responsive feel on the road. This makes it a fantastic option for riders interested in exploring the sportier side of motorcycling and improving their riding skills. Safety features. Safety is paramount for novice riders, and the Yamaha YZF-R3 incorporates modern safety features to enhance the rider's confidence. It comes standard with an anti-lock braking system, ABS, a critical safety feature that prevents will lock up during hard braking. ABS ensures that riders maintain control of the bike, especially in emergency braking situations, and it's particularly valuable for beginners who are still learning how to handle sudden stops. Comfort and ergonomics. While the YZF-R3 South African Rand is a sport-oriented motorcycle, it doesn't sacrifice comfort. The riding position is slightly leaned forward but remains comfortable for extended rides, with a well-padded seat and ergonomic handlebar placement. This balance of sportiness and comfort is ideal for beginners who want to enjoy both spirited riding and daily commuting without excessive strain. Yamaha reliability. Yamaha has built a reputation for producing reliable and durable motorcycles, and the YZF-R3 South African Rand is no exception. Its quality construction and robust engineering ensure that it can serve as a dependable companion for years to come. Yamaha's extensive dealer network also makes it easy for riders to find service and support when needed, which is especially beneficial for beginners who might require guidance and maintenance assistance. Customization and upgrades. The Yamaha YZF-R3 offers a range of aftermarket accessories and customization options, allowing riders to personalize their motorcycles to their liking. Whether it's a different exhaust system, upgraded suspension components, or styling enhancements, there are plenty of options to make the YZF-R3 unique and tailored to individual preferences. Affordable price point. Affordability is a significant consideration for beginners, and the Yamaha YZF-R3 South African Rand is attractively priced. It provides an accessible entry point into the world of sport-oriented motorcycles without a steep price tag. This makes it a budget-friendly choice for those starting their motorcycling journey. Resale value. Yamaha motorcycles tend to hold their value well, and the YZF-R3 South African Rand is no exception. Should a beginner rider decide to upgrade to a larger or more powerful motorcycle down the road, the YZF-R3 is likely to retain a good portion of its original value, which can be a significant advantage. Conclusion. In the realm of motorcycles for beginners, the Yamaha YZF-R3 stands out as a compelling choice for those looking to combine sporty styling, performance, and accessibility. Its striking design, lightweight and agile nature, sport bike handling, and modern safety features make it an ideal motorcycle for new riders eager to learn and enjoy the thrill of motorcycling. The YZF-R3 offers a perfect blend of sportiness and comfort, ensuring that beginners can embrace the exhilaration of riding without sacrificing ergonomics or safety. Yamaha's reputation for reliability, customization options, and the bike's budget-friendly price point further enhance its appeal. In conclusion, the Yamaha YZF-3 South African Rand is an excellent choice for beginner riders, offering a harmonious balance of style, performance, and reliability, all while staying budget-conscious. Whether you're a novice rider seeking an entry into the world of sport bikes or an experienced rider looking for a versatile and approachable machine, the YZF-3 South African Rand is a motorcycle that's sure to provide an exciting and enjoyable riding experience.